Hey everybody, welcome back to Why Not RV. I'm Chris, and on this week's episode, I want to go ahead and share with you a product that I found that is a game changer to how I can now cook outside, eat outside, be outside. Check out this camping table. Remember, if you want to learn more and make less mistakes while RVing, be sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like and a comment down below. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. So as you can clearly see, my outdoor cooking setup while boondocking is pretty minimal. Cooking on the ground, literally. I just kind of kneel down, do my thing, get it done. It is what it is. But you know, even when I'm at a campground and there's picnic tables, well, guess what? Those picnic tables very often have had sewer hoses laying over them over different time periods, so it's not really that ideal. So let me show you this amazing product that I found that is going to be a game changer for me. Now this thing is by Mountain Summit Gear. It is a bit pricey, but the quality matches the price, okay? There's other camping tables that are out there and those qualities match their price. So you get what you pay for when you're doing something like this. Now this thing is rated for 80 pounds and it means it. I mean, it's rated for 80 pounds, but I can sit on this thing and it not collapse. It's very, very sturdy. I'm not telling you to sit on it, but I'm just saying it's extremely sturdy for an all aluminum outdoor camping table. All right, so it is the Mountain Summit Gear heavy duty roll top table, and this is the large version. They have a couple different sizes. Let me set this thing up for you and show you how it is. The build quality on this thing is absolutely insane. Once I unstrap this, watch how smooth this thing opens up. I mean, just ridiculous how nice and smooth that is. Those lock in. All right, let's get the tabletop portion on. Now these have little rings on the bottom and you just pop them down and you can see the hole where it lines up in and it locks in place. Both sides. Do this side real quick. And now that table is actually rated for 80 pounds. And now I've just upgraded from cooking on the floor to a nice actual little station. And of course then I can clear this off, use it as a dining table. It's outstanding. I mean, 80 pounds is way more than it's ever gonna need. And again, the quality of this thing, of how nice and smooth it all was, it's all aluminum. So now you can see just a clear major upgrade to my outdoor cooking space. I mean, this table is outstanding. The build quality is outstanding. It's super, super smooth opening and closing. The bag has two little compartments, both for the tabletop and the table portion itself. It's incredible. I highly recommend it. All right, I'm gonna also do a quick breakdown of how I'm gonna break down my outdoor camping setup. Connect my gas line. All right, now let me go ahead and break the table down. It's super, super simple. You just pull in your little rings here and you can fold over two together, and then this is now gonna be our center. So I'm gonna leave that. Same thing here. Boom, now I got this. All right, so I can just go ahead and take my top, slide that in there. So we just go ahead and release our sides. And again, look how smooth this thing goes together. Yoink. I mean, super, super, super smooth. Get my little things on the outside here. Lined up straight. Click. And now this can go in. That's it. I mean, look at how simple that was. That's it for this week's video. Like I said, I just want to bring that product to light for some people because it's a great option. I love it. Again, check the link in the description below where you can buy that on Amazon, okay? If you have any questions, make sure to drop a comment down below, leave a like, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. We'll see you next time. Bye.